The Rapidair safety coupler is a push-to-connect coupler, one-handed push. Push into place, push the button once to release the air, push the button again to release the plug. Comes in 30 CFM body size and 70 CFM body size. For those of you who are fast and are in a hurry, you can push the button once to release it and once again to pull it out. Here is a competitor safety coupler. It is push to connect. To release the air, you push the button, but pushing the button does not release the plug. You have to wait until all the air is out.